Start your journey into film and television today at Rare Edge Film and Arts Academy. With hands-on training from industry professionals, you can learn digital media design, 3D animation and VFX, film masterclass, entrepreneurship, integrated filmmaking, digital video production, film business, and acting for film. We offer 3-month certificate, 6 months diploma certificate, and 1-year diploma. Take advantage. Access industry experts and our professional facilities. You can register now at www.refaacademy.org. For more information, you can call 081-066-85100. Rare Edge Film and Art Academy. Explore your talent, fulfill your dreams.
Kosoko loko. Àìsílẹ̀ olóngìní ilé di ilé èkúté yìí. Ṣebí wọ́n ní bọ́lọ́jẹ́ ò bá kú oríta ò léwu koríko. Ayé ṣòro ẹni àníkó kíni lẹ́yìn ló fẹ̀gún sọ́wọ́. Àṣeun dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó ń ṣe ni tó tún ń gbà ní. Ẹni àníkó fẹ́ni lójú tó bàtà sẹ́nu. Ètùmàrè gbà wá lọ́wọ́ àfojú fẹ́ni ọ̀wá. Kò sólókò lóko. Kò sólókò dóko. Kò sólókò lóko.
But waste of time gbogbo eléyìí lójú tèmi o. Sikini sana. I think so káàkiri for the past 2 hours by anybody.
Oh, the farabalẹ̀.
But this is funny. Seriously, ó funny gan. Cause èmi ò rí sí gbogbo eléyìí tá ń bá káàkiri lé.
Lookman. Ó ti wà lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ yóò ṣe díẹ̀ náà. Ó yẹ kí gbogbo kíní ti yé ẹ náà. A ti wà lórí kéèsì yìí for a very long time. Now, ASP Tunde. Ó dẹ̀ feel wípé gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe kò ní meaning. Ó think wípé kò wà credible. Now, àwa ni only chance láti prove a point to him. Ó dẹ̀ feel wípé right thing tó yẹ kó máa sọ ni pé gbogbo eléyìí ti sú ẹ, ó ti ṣe kíní kan. Seriously?
Frustrated.
That's the word. Frustrated.
Me too.
Bóyá ká dẹ̀ going.
Sir? Kí lẹ mean? Mi ò gbọ́ sir.
Mo ní wípé bóyá ká going. Ká wọnú building yẹn. There might be 1 or 2 people there hiding.
Okay, ká dẹ̀ kó sí wọn lọ́wọ́ àbí?
No. Tá bá wọnú building yẹn, I might actually catch them by surprise.
Or they catch us by surprise. You won't believe that.
There must be something somewhere.
Bikini.
Bikini. Let's go for it. Move! Hey, stop! 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 Hold it! Stop! Don't move! Turn around. Monico, turn around! Now, your mask or jewel. My feet bon for real. Your mask or jewel. Baba. Baba.
Jimba.
Baba. Barrister Jemba. What are you doing here?
Actually, it's a long story.
You're sorry? Jason, you're sorry? Oh, you will be sorry. By the time I finish with you, you will be sorry. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́ tó ti mu drugs? You. Nǹkan tí máa fojú ẹ rí. Nǹkan tí máa fojú ẹ rí. Oh my God, you will be sorry.
Actually,
Will you shut up? Shut your gap! Kí ló fẹ́ sọ? Ó yá, sọ fún mi. Kí ni nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ?
I don't use drugs. I command and.
Oh, so you're a drug dealer. Okay. Yokuda.
Sir?
Where are the rest? Where are the rest?
Uthman.
Okay. Call Uthman and you get dressed.
Sir?
Call Uthman. Get dressed.
Èmi ò wá convinced pẹ̀lú gbogbo làbárè tẹ́ ń sọ látàárọ̀. The question is, why exactly are you here, barrister?
Look, we are wala to convince anybody. My main intention is to ensure I make this community safe for everybody. Yes.
That's quite funny. Amòfin lẹ́yìn now.
Yes.
So kí ló kàn yín pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ agbófinró?
Ta ló yẹ kó gbófinró if not for ẹni tó ti mọ òfin already?
Oh, bàbá ìwọ lẹ ń pa. Ẹ mọ̀ èmi náà dẹ̀ mọ̀.
All right. Come in there. Fine. Look, the reason to watch is because most of my colleagues and my family won't believe in iṣẹ́ tí mo ṣe. No, they don't. That's why I want to say the only job I get is tenant and landlord cases. We know they have to prove one way. I know what I'm doing. So more have double see. I will catch all the criminals in this environment and I will do it single-handedly. Yes. But now, Timothy, you are in the same thing, Timothy. We can form a very formidable team. I'm more criminals who are in the environment. And we're going to do something. Give them surprise tactics. I guess you're going to do so.
Bá ṣe rí nìyẹn o.
Mo lè ń lọ lálẹ́.
Bá ṣe rí nìyẹn o.
Báwo lè ṣe rí kíni?
I can always step out ní ká lọ ra ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah, sure.
Bàbá àtọmọ.
Àbí o.
That's nice.
Let's go.
Ẹ má wàá pẹ́ ṣá o.
No.
No? Barrister, Jemba.
Wherever. Ẹ wá máa lọlé. Please go home.
Oh, bàbá ẹ máa lọ lé.
Pay attention sí nǹkan tí mo sọ láti.
Mo ní kẹ́ máa lọlé. Go home.
It's all right.
Kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ǹjẹ́ mo rí 200 naira for, jeez, transport.
Ó dà pé máa yọ ní nǹkan ṣe. Jẹ́ káwa fílẹ̀ níbi ká máa lọ.
Okay. Àjọ máa lọ náà ni.
Má tẹ̀lé mi o.
It's all right.
Borokini.
From this night, you're not going to step out of the house without me. Anywhere you go, we go together. Football field, stations, market, basketball court, anywhere.
Yes, sir.
We go together.
Yes, sir.
I ask you again, ṣé o ti ń lo drugs?
No.
I'm going to run a test. If any trace of drug is found in you, I swear, I, Deji Lawson, will kill you with my bare hands.
Hey.
Yes, Ekule. How are you? But I told you.
Please don't give me that ice cream nonsense kind of explanation. You told me what?
Remy?
Láti gbà wo sí gbà wo gba tẹ́tí lọ. Ẹ wá ń bọ̀ sí sọ pé you told me. Ibo lẹ ti fẹ́ ra ice cream just two straight away and you're telling him I told you. You told me what?
Remy, ó ti lè ro ìrokúrò jù. Kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́ now?
Excuse me, where are you coming from? Ibo lẹ ti wọ̀?
See now? You see now?
Seriously?
The young man is angry already.
Deji. Ice cream tó ń tà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn like bóyá bí 2 streets away. Lẹ lọ látàárọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́.
Ó sọ owó ọpẹ́lẹ̀ sùn sí òsì nǹkan.
Ó sọ owó ẹbẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan àti nǹkan ní ẹjọ́ rìn. Àwọn bàbá wa bọ̀ wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kọ̀ ẹnì kì í sọ gbangba. Wọ́n sì tún bọ̀ wọ́n ní kí gogoro mọ́gùn ní lójú.
Òkèèrè láti wò.
Ó ṣeun. Ọ̀rọ̀ àjọba yìí náà mà ní.
Àjọba.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Mo rò pé a ti yanjú ẹ̀ ni.
A ti yanjú ẹ̀ ń tòótọ́. Àmọ́ ẹ̀yin náà wà ń kalẹ̀. Níjọ́ kìíní àná tí Láolú ọ̀jọba ètùtù tí wọ́n ní Láolú ọlọ́gbé ńgbà náà lọ́hùn. Mọ orí ètùtù tí wọ́n ní ọlọ́gbé.
Tí Láolú ọ̀jọba. Ó gbé bọ́ lóòótọ́. Olóyè. Ọmọ ọlé ìta fẹ́ fi jọba yìí kò tí wàá bímọ.
Ó ti yé yín. Ibi tí mò ń lọ gan-an lẹ jáun.
Ọ̀dà. Àbí fálérè náà ni. Torí bọ́ bá rú ni lójú àbílẹ̀ léèrè ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ làákàyè gbáà lọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ làákàyè ni.
Ọ̀dà mo wá fẹ́ ká fi ọkàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ẹ jẹ́ á fi sọ́kàn o. Kì í ṣe ń téèyàn gbàgbé o.
Kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Bó ṣe sọ yìí gan-an o ti ta ń lólobó. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tí ń bá rìn lórí rẹ̀ ní tètè mọ̀. Mo sáré rí i pé irú wòye èèbọ̀ ta.
Auntie Remy, I know you're in there. I need to talk to you. Mo mọ ẹni tó pa ti Debbie.
Ṣó ti wá ń bẹ̀rù ní ẹrú tì mí? Ó ní láti bẹ̀rù náà.
Ní láti bẹ̀rù pé tí bá nǹkan tó máa sọ nìyẹn. Àní kí la máa ṣe?
Of course, máa yọ̀ ni.
Yọ̀. Just like that.
Actually now, there are a lot of complications tó wà ní fún ẹni tó bá lóyún bí age mi, but I don't think I'm ready to face that stress now. I'm not ready. Rosimi, mo fẹ́ béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Kí ló wà láàrin wa tọmọ mi?
Ọmọ yín wo?
Irú ìbéèrè wo nìyẹn? Ọmọ mélòó ló mọ mi? Fúntọ́, of course.
Fúntọ́. Kò sí nǹkan kan láàrin wa tọmọ yín. But mo mọ̀ ní pé she's your child. She's she is an over-excited child. Single one.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Rotimi?
I tell you, sir.
Funto.
Sir.
Ṣé o rí ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ fún mi lálẹ́ yìí? Má discuss it with anybody. Don't talk about it to anybody at all.
Auntie Remi ńkọ́?
Not even Remi. Má sọ fẹ́ nìkan kan o.
But I came to tell Auntie Remi this.
Èmi dẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ pé kó gbọ́rọ̀ sí àgbàlagbà lẹ́nu. Do not tell a single soul by anybody, not even Remi. If you love your life, don't talk to anybody about it, okay?
Okay, sir. Hold on, bang. Okay, if you say so, sir.
Yeah, so I said. Abẹ́ni kankan sọ o. Do not talk to.
Okay.
Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Yes, sir.
Ṣá máa ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ ń tiẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n.
Ẹ kálẹ́ ma.
What's going on here?
Ohun tó ló ní òní nǹkan tó bọ́dà òun tó ṣáà ń bọ́dà ẹ̀ só lóun wá èèyàn tó máa sọ fún tó ń lè bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Oh, I see. Mongo, talk to me.
I'm okay now. I'm with Uncle Sorry. I've spoken to him, sir.
Yeah.
I'm very fine.
Ó ti bá mi sọ̀rọ̀.
I see.
Oh yes, why not? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes, sir. Go to your room, please. Now.
Welcome, Grandma.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I feel very okay now. Sir.
Funto, why don't you try and talk to your mother? You can talk to your mother about it. You don't have to go all the way out. Mother.
Ma, I'm not interested in talking to her, please.
That's sort of bad now. Oda, Danny.
Yeah.
Joe, can you help me drop her at home? Public transport.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you.
I'll do that. Italian sing.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Ma, have a wonderful night.
Yeah, but keep on me. All right.
Sir.
Yeah, you can't hear that. No, let's. I use my car.
I'll go, ma.
Bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìrìn àjò rẹ nípa fíìmù àti eré àgbéléwò lónìí ní Rare Edge Film and Art Academy lọ́dọ̀ àwọn akọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́. Wá kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ nípa bí a ṣe ń lo ìmọ̀ ìgbàlódé tòde òní nípa bí a ṣe ń gbé sinimá jáde lóríṣiríṣi lọ́nà ìgbàlódé tòde òní. Ọ̀nà tí a lè gbà sọdúngbó àti bí a ṣe lè sọ ọ́ di ọrọ̀ ajé pẹ̀lú ẹ̀kọ́ nípa eré orí ìtàgé. Àdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fún oṣù 3, oṣù 6 àti ọdún kan fún diplomat. Lo àǹfààní yìí lónìí láti pàdé àwọn akọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́ tí a ní ní ilé-iṣẹ́ wa àti àyíká tó kójú òṣùwọ̀n. Ẹ kàn sí www.refacademy.org. Láti mọ̀ nípa wa síwájú sí i, ẹ pè sórí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ yìí 08106685100. Rare Edge Film and Art Academy. Fi ẹ̀bùn rẹ hàn lónìí kí o sì mú àlá rẹ ṣẹ.
Má gbàgbé nǹkan tí mo sọ fún ẹ náà. No word about this to anybody. Okay?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, I should show you where Auntie Ogun got that from.
No. She didn't hear anything.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I'll see you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, kò pẹ́ tó máa kú bí báyìí náà. She said she wanted to talk and got to watch it on. She said she wanted to talk. Ola, why do you ask? Hang out? Kilo jale? No, not that. It's just like oh strange. It's been a while. I mean. Really? Okay then. I'll see you then. Bye.
Borokini.
Now, what happened tonight?
Sir?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ńlé yín lálẹ́ yìí?
I don't understand what you're talking about, sir.
What do you mean you don't understand? Oh, ṣá lè kúrò ńlé yín lásán láti wá sọ fún mi pé I don't understand. You have information about my daughter's death. So nǹkan tó bá mọ̀, gbogbo nǹkan tó bá tún fi pé o mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ díẹ̀ kí n mọ̀ everything.
My mother is a slut.
Kí ló wí?
I'm serious, sir. Sir, can you believe that my mom and I are dating the same man? Ṣé mo Rotimi tó ń bá Uncle Ṣùpọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. He has moved into my mother's house.
Funto.
Sir, I hear them every night. Sir,
Funto, I don't want to know all this. I don't want to know the details of whatever is happening in your house. Ṣé nǹkan tó gbé ẹ wá yẹn lèmi fẹ́ mọ̀? I don't want to know all those things.
Sir,
yes?
I told you already. I got angry. I was very angry.
Tí inú bá ti bí ẹ, má jẹ́ kí inú bíbí jẹ́ kó máa ṣe bí fool. All right?
Nǹkan kan bá fún mi, sir.
And what is that?
Since I told you about Auntie Debbie's death and took Auntie Debbie,
Yeah.
you have just been normal.
Normal?
Yes, sir. Like you're not reacting. Since I told you the whole thing, I'm just confused. I shocked pé ẹ̀yin lẹ bí Auntie Debbie, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm really sorry. There's one more thing you need to know, sir.
Yeah.
Rotimi did not do it alone. Òun àti Sister Lolade ni wọ́n jọ pàdé pọ̀. The same Sister Lolade, Auntie Debbie's friend.
Hey, come back here. Funto, never, and I mean it, never in your life ignore me. Are you alright?
Ekale.
Just about okay, Sha. Ó dà bolo timbo.
Mo lọ sí bar, mo lọ mọtí.
Is that fine? Ìwọ lọ sí bar, ìwọ lọ mọtí. Hey! Hello, drop anything. Mama bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Never in your life, mama bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Ó stupid ni. Mo ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ sí pé kò ṣe business mi. Ṣé mi kọ́ nìyá ẹ ni? Ṣé mi kọ́ nìyá ẹ ni? Tell me. Funta! 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 Funta!
Hello? Ta ló ń sọ̀rọ̀? Oh, ẹ káàsán sir. Okay, I'm okay, sir. Ilé mo wà nílé. Kí ló dé? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? I have nothing to talk about, sir. I have nothing to talk about. Sir, báwo ni mo ṣe fẹ́ mọ ẹni tó pa Sister Debbie? Was I even there? Sir, I'm not playing any games with you. You are a professor. You of all people should know that when someone is high, the person tends to say rubbish. And moreover, why would I say Rotimi killed Sister Debbie? Innocent Rotimi. Rotimi tí ò lè pààyàn. Àyàn. Oh. Ẹ wò daddy. Ẹ wò daddy. Wọ́n ò ní kó bá yín o. Wọ́n ò ní kó bá yín, sir. I don't know what you are talking about. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, let's close this chapter and never open it again. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, sir.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mommy ẹ máa wọ́n ti ń jàre.
Anyways, ó lálejò.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Rẹ̀mí kù jókòó.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. My darling, how are you there?
Jẹ́ fi yín lẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n. Ṣùgbọ́n màá rí ẹ later. All right then.
All right, darling. Báwo ni?
How are you? You look nice.
Thank you, darling. You sure you are okay?
Okay, ma, I feel good.
Good. Báwo dẹ̀ ni?
Use? 10 minutes ago.
Like, seriously? 10 minutes ago?
Yes, ma.
Jason! Jason! Talking to you, fool! Jason! Take! Result blood testing with Moshefwania. Traces of drugs in your bloodstream! Now, what do you have to say to that? You're sorry! You're sorry! You're sorry, son! You're sorry! You will be sorry.
Borokini.
Hello, Debbie.
Hello, Daddy. Kúlẹ̀ wà látàárọ̀ tí mo ti ń kanlẹ̀kùn.
Mo gbàgbé sùn sórí káùchì ń bí báyìí ni mo gbàgbé sùn lọ́bọ́ ni wọ́n wà.
Mo wà níta, ẹ wá ṣílẹ̀kùn.
Okay, just hold on for me, I'm sorry.
Borokini.
Àjọ jẹ ní ìkọ̀kọ̀, àjọ mu ní gbangba, àjọ ń jẹ gbádùn ayé.